Here in this video, I'll detail how to set up Face ID with a mask or with a face mask on your iPhone. So if you have an iPhone and the only way to unlock your iPhone is using your Face ID or your passcode, then you could add additional layers so that when you put on Face ID, you'll be able to unlock your iPhone. So if you're done of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing to do when you want to set up Face ID with a mask on your iPhone is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, just scroll down and click on Face ID and passcode. Then type in your passcode. Then while on this page, scroll down on the Face ID and passcode page and tap Face ID with a mask. So turn this on. Now you want to go ahead and put on your face mask. Now with the face mask on, just click on Use Face ID with a mask. Then you want to click on Get Started. There you go. Remove your mask in a safe environment to set up Face ID. Then Face ID is complete. Then you should see Face ID is now set up. Click on Done. Then you can see Face ID with a mask is enabled. So when next you want to unlock your iPhone, you have face mask on, you'll be able to unlock your iPhone. Now what I'll do next to unlock my iPhone with a face mask is I'm just going to go ahead, put on my face mask. Then lock the side button, then look closely. That is it. So that is how you can basically unlock your iPhone with or set up Face ID with face mask on your iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.